Let's check out how to resolve the F83 error code on the Glowworm boiler. If your Glowworm boiler is showing an F83 fault, it means it has shut down for safety reasons. This error usually points to a temperature issue, often caused by low water pressure or a lack of water in the system. Let's review the most common reasons causing the F83 error on your Glowworm boiler. The first cause for the F83 Glowworm problem is the low water pressure. If the system doesn't have enough water, the boiler can't work properly. The second cause is sensor issues. A faulty or misaligned flow or return temperature sensor can cause incorrect readings. If the gas rate or inlet pressure at the valve is wrong, the boiler may struggle to run. Faulty or disconnected wiring can also prevent the boiler from communicating with its parts. Another cause is the faulty thermistor. These sensors regulate temperature. If they fail, the boiler might not detect heat changes correctly. The boiler's PCB acts as the brain of the boiler. If it is defective, it can cause the system to shut down. Next up is incorrect system pressure. If the pressure isn't at the right level, typically around 1.5 bar, the boiler will lock out to keep things safe. All of these issues can stop the boiler from working as it should, leading to the F83 fault. Let's find out how to fix the F83 error code. First, bleed the radiators to release any trapped air and make sure the pressure is around 1.5 bar. After that, reset the boiler. Make sure the flow and return sensors are securely attached to the pipes and properly positioned. If you think there's a gas pressure issue, it's best to have an engineer check the gas rate and inlet pressure at the gas valve. Look for any loose, damaged, or disconnected wires and reconnect them if needed. If the thermistors are faulty, they may need cleaning or replacement to ensure accurate temperature readings. If the problem still isn't solved, a professional may need to check the printed circuit board, PCB, and replace it if necessary. If the issue doesn't go away after these checks, it's a good idea to call a gas-safe registered engineer to help fix the fault. Service team heating engineers can handle all the boiler makes and models, including Glowworm. As a professional boiler installer, we guarantee that we will meet the highest standards set by the manufacturer. Click on the link below to book a service team boiler repair. Thanks for watching, and stay warm.